Good day, I'm Tamar McHale and this is your JIS News for Friday, June 17. Government is moving ahead with plans to develop the Southern Coastal Highway project.
We took a second look at the project, rescoped it to ensure that the benefit is maximized. At no time was there ever any consideration of putting this project on hold or depriving the people of St. Thomas and Port Antonio of this much needed investment.
During a press briefing at Jamaica House yesterday, the Prime Minister revealed that the $384 million project would be largely funded by a loan from the Exim Bank of China, with Jamaica contributing $57 million. The project includes 4 lanes of highway from Harbour View to Bull Bay, which will not be subject to a toll. A truck lane will be added to the upgraded Bull Bay to Morant Bay roadway, and the road from Morant Bay to Port Antonio and from Morant Bay to Cedar Valley will also be improved.
We believe this is a far more cost-effective plan, as it will reduce the need for massive land acquisition. In fact, under the former plan, there would be a cost of approximately $120 million to acquire land and US dollars to acquire land and other civil infrastructure to establish a new road. It would also reduce the negative impact on communities and the environment.
The government will be extending the toll road from Maypen to Manchester on the East-West Highway 2000 section, and revenues to be generated from this will partially support loan repayment. In the meantime, the Prime Minister has also directed the National Road Construction Company to establish a toll road bypass for Montego Bay to help ease traffic congestion into the city. Prime Minister Andrew Holness says the government is examining the structures of public buildings in the corporate area to assess whether value for money is being derived for government offices.
It is clear that the building infrastructure in Jamaica, particularly in Kingston, has reached a stage where the government has to create the atmosphere, create the regulatory environment, and give the necessary support for reinvestment in those buildings.
The Prime Minister was speaking Wednesday evening at the official dedication ceremony of the new Justice Complex. The new Justice Complex, which houses the offices of the Ministry of Justice, is based at 61 Constant Spring Road. The ministry's previous Oxford Road offices were closed about 3 months ago due to air quality issues. The new location is a larger space that offers better access to members of the public. $60 million has been allocated for 99 parents' places across the island. These are centers with the necessary equipment and resources to get more parents involved in schools and help enhance their involvement in their children's lives. The Macaulay Primary School in Spanish Town, St. Catherine is the latest institution with a parents' place. It was opened on Wednesday by the Digicel Foundation in partnership with the Education Ministry.
This is another step in the right direction. It signals partnership. I'm sure that this is the first of much more that Digicel Foundation will be rolling out all across the island, because we hope that every school will have a place where parents can go, parents can learn, and parents can get directly involved in the lives of their children.
The parents are interested, the principal, the teachers are interested, and so it is a partnership across all of these groups to ensure that our children get the best chance ever to fulfill their potential.
The Parents' Place initiative is funded by the United States Agency for International Development, USAID. The results of the Grade 6 Achievement Test GSAT, which were released earlier this week, will be available online to sending and receiving schools next week. Education Minister Ruel Reid made the announcement at Wednesday's post-cabinet press briefing. He added that the ministry was looking to enable parents to access the results online starting next year. This, he said, would help to alleviate the anxiety associated with waiting for the results at the schools. 81% of students who sat this year's Grade 6 Achievement Test were placed in a school of their choice, an increase of 8% over last year. The results also show an increase in passes in 4 of the 5 subject areas. And finally, let's get together and feel all right is the theme for emancipation and independence celebrations this year, as Jamaica celebrates its 54th year of independence and 182 years since emancipation. The events, which culminate in the week of July 31 to August 6, will feature traditional events plus some new ones. Culture Minister Olivia Grange launched the celebrations Thursday night, saying the activities would be diverse, appealing and attractive to all.
Every community, every corner, every street, every lane, every nook and cranny, as we'll say, of the island, and of course, those in the diaspora are expected to come alive and celebrate together as proud Jamaicans.
Among the new events will be a Reggae to Rio celebration as the nation anticipates our athletes' success in the Olympics, and a festival bandwagon show that will visit parishes across the island. Meanwhile, the fashion theme for this year is Wear It in Gold and Stripe It Bold. For more details on the celebrations and to register your events, contact the Jamaica Cultural Development Commission at 926-572-69 or visit their website at jcdc.gov.jm. And that's it for JIS News today. I'm Tamara McHale. Thanks for watching.